Nintendo Switch fix Minecraft error code drowned. To fix Minecraft error code drowned on Nintendo Switch, first go ahead and disable passwordless login on Microsoft account. So this is the most common fix for the drowned error. On your PC or mobile browser, go to Microsoft account security settings. So search for Microsoft account security settings. And then go ahead and click on it. On your Microsoft account security settings, go ahead and click on advanced security option. So click on security from here, and then from this section, go ahead and look for advanced security section. So from here, go ahead and under additional security, so in here, go ahead and click on this manage how I sign in. So make sure to turn off passwordless account from here. So as you can see, mine is turned off. So set a password for your account if you don't have one yet. This ensures Minecraft can authenticate your login properly on Switch. Now another thing you can do is to go ahead and clear Minecraft sign-in data on Switch. So launch Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch, head over to settings and profile, and then scroll down and select clear account sign-in data, and then restart the game and try signing in again. And the last option that you have is to relink your Microsoft account. So after clearing sign-in data, Minecraft will prompt you to sign in again, use the code provided on your Switch, and go to https://aka.ms/remote connect on another device, and then enter the code and sign in with your Microsoft account. And that is basically the fix with Nintendo Switch fix Minecraft error code drowned, failed to log in.